चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Okay. So previously what we had seen regarding different CSS, and I had given time 2 days time for the revision purpose. So everyone had revised or what they was doing actually? Can anyone? What about Amardeep? Had you revised?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Day one I
So
have revised.
day one CSS.
Yeah.
In day one CSS,
Day
what
one,
was
day
there?
one, and day one and day two.
Day
The
one and day
selectors,
two. Okay, selector. Okay, fine.
four type of selectors and that's some parts.
Yeah. Okay. So what about Praful? What about your side?
यस सर. सर मैं
Revised.
W3 स्कूल पे पढ़ा हूँ.
Recording is going on.
यस सर. W3 स्कूल पे कैन आई लुक और राइट एंड रिवाइज not more but
Approx
can
how
some.
much?
Sir, for
For
day
section.
4 section
Means
can.
you following W3 school or our that assignment? Which one?
Sir, W3 school.
W3. See, all material is from W3 itself, but you can do one thing. You can go by our material itself, okay? And same time you can follow that W3. Got that?
Okay.
Because we had removed some section which is not useful. Got that point?
Yes, sir.
Because if you will go through the W3 school, then some section which is not important. So it will be just wasting your time. So meanwhile, you can open this and in one tab, you can open that also. You will get that directly with the help of a heading itself. You will get all the content there. So not an issue. So had you gone through the navigation bar? Yesterday, see, I think many of you guys had not came yesterday. So what we had done, we had prepared some navigation bar. Okay, and I will show you 1 second. Where is that? Day 9 news home contact third. Yeah. Okay, let it to be. So this was actually my navigation bar, and we had done that one in the horizontal way. Okay, so when you clicking home, it will open your home page. Welcome to home. Then again, home button will be active. But when I clicking news, you will get a news page. Here, news button will be active. When you click on contact, your contact page is this. Okay, and contact button become active. Means these all are not active, only contact page. Then your about page is this one. Then about page become active. So we had done this one actually yesterday, and like this way we can design navigation bar. But I had gone through navigation bar of horizontal means sorry vertically navigation bar means top to bottom, and I had suggested to go through the that horizontal navigation bar. So who had done that horizontal navigation bar? Anyone? Praful, Amardeep, had you done
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done a vertical one.
vertical? This one itself. Praful, you had done horizontal one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay.
I going to stop.
But sir, simply can design not a.
Okay, no issue. But okay, you can also share. And meanwhile, what about Samir? Had you designed? You reached or
Yes,
you
I
are on?
did.
Are you reached or you are still on the way? Okay, Praful had done this one. Okay, fine. Click that. Okay, you
Hello.
get. Yeah, Samir.
Yeah, I designed horizontal and vertical also, both.
Okay, so you reached the means PG or still on the way?
Uh, Within 2 minutes, I will reach my
Okay,
position.
okay, no issue. Praful. Meanwhile, click that home.
Sir, he
Okay,
home page can open already.
this is your home itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now click on about. Where you moving this one? Welcome to new. What is this?
Sir,
You had
simply
added. Yeah.
no.
Okay. Not. not issue. You had added that one, so you can do one thing when you adding that another href. Okay, so
Yes,
try
sir.
to add that. Means give some pop-up. Means like as I had given that na, welcome to home page, welcome to news, those things. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you can add that way. And another thing, you can get that. Which editor? This one? Oh, this is a browser. Okay, sorry. So if you had given that, then navigation bar should have to appear on this page also. Got that?
Okay, sir. And style coffee to all style
Yeah,
and
correct. So you can copy and paste.
okay, sir.
Okay, and
Yes,
just to give one means in the body section you can give one bar, means heading, welcome to this page, welcome to this, that, like this way.
okay, sir.
So yeah, is it fine? That's fine. No issue. Amardeep, had you practice, which one you had done, horizontal or vertical?
Sir, horizontal only. Sorry, not vertical. Horizontal only. The far.
Okay, horizontal, which Praful had done. This one.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, home about gallery, they can
Yeah.
can margin padding can be right side, not given.
Right. No, it's already coming in the right side area.
No, sir. Just center alignment, center, and
Okay.
can
But
this like the medium home about gallery. This
okay,
type.
see.
Then display inline use panning.
No, that's fine. But what he telling, like whatever a space you want to reduce
Yes,
that
sir.
a space or what? Means
Uh,
right side, whatever a space is that you want to
yes,
reduce.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So they see there may be width. Okay.
Good.
So
Sir.
you can check over the width. You can reduce the width. Then it will be.
Okay, sir.
You can inspect, check it by inspecting. First try from your side. If it's not done, then I will help you. But first
Okay, sir.
try.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Amardeep, can you?
Sir, I have done till only first page only, sir.
Okay, no issue. Whatever.
Let me open the VS Code.
Okay.
Meanwhile, open else.
Meanwhile, who can? Samir not reached now. Who is this guest user? Who is this live user? Atul, had you joined? Who is this Li just now joined?
Just now I have joined,
Okay.
but I joined as not as a guest user.
Now it's showing your other name. Live user something, CID something.
No, because I joined as a Gita, I mean GA.
No, but it's coming different. Live CID something name. Like that.
Life
Actually.
CID is my I don't know.
Yeah. You can rename there. What happened yesterday? You had not came, and then Sunday also evening you had not
Sunday,
joined.
I thought class is over, means there is no class in the evening.
We had
And
message in the WhatsApp.
a message so many times I was not able to see. And yesterday some guest came.
Okay.
Mm.
Because we had started that one batch also for the revision purpose, and that is going in the morning 7 o'clock.
Okay. Okay.
So for the revision purpose, so whatever person had dot in the HTML side and those, they can join that side. Means it's a compulsory for this batch actually.
Okay.
This is not optional that this, that, nothing. It is
Whenever
compulsory.
whenever I'm getting time, I saw your video. Day 8,
Yeah.
I have seen. Day 9, I have to be.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Ha, Amardeep, you
Yes,
can.
sir. Yes.
Okay. That's
I have not
fine.
added
But
the link.
are you able to
I have-
click?
Yeah, I will be able to. But in the about us, I have not added the link. It is able to click, but see,
Okay.
I will show the.
Okay. Okay.
I will show you the code. It take
Okay.
time in CSS part only. That's why my CSS is very long. This
Okay.
much
Okay.
long. That's why.
Okay, no problem. That's anyway, just to practice that one. So we will get somewhat idea.
By
When you
night,
going,
I will complete all the pages.
okay, not an issue. So yesterday we had seen that Samir, had you opened your system? So previously we had covered now we almost completed our CSS, means basic CSS you can tell. And second is the advanced CSS. In advanced, mostly we will go with the like linear gradient, then 2D, 3D transaction, then shadow part, different things are there. Okay. But in the basic, it means now you are able to attend any interview based on HTML and CSS part. The remaining thing is that you have to practice. Then only you will get much more idea. Otherwise, if you're not practicing, nothing will be, because you have to get, means you have to attend interview, not I. So you have to just utilize properly the time. It will be fine. So next today we going to see that some other sample, okay, which is just that is also like a mini project type, okay. And now I going to share my screen. 1 second. Okay. Whose side this mic is unmute? Okay, Amardeep. Yeah. So now we going to see another sample type mini project type. Okay. So this is a drop down. How we can make drop down, mouse over, different activity we can perform in that drop down case. So now we are all are familiar with the different style. It is not required to explain the styling part. Okay. From the code itself, you will get those idea. Today is a day 10. Yeah. Day 10. Sorry, it gone outside. Where is the new file? 1.html. Okay. So first we will look over the styling. After that, we will realize the output.
Hello, sir. I reached.
Okay. Share your screen.
Only this much I designed.
1 second. Let me see. Where is that? Type. Which one you had designed? This one.
Yes, vertical. Only this much I designed because yesterday night I selected.
Okay. So what are you going to open? Samir, what is written there? Samir Enterprise. Check the spelling. We want a prize from your end. If you will write like this.
Okay. In navigation, I'll.
Okay, nice. That's fine. Whatever you had practiced, it's okay for all. Okay. So now we will look over different. Just 1 second. Where is this? Yeah. So what we going to now regarding the mouse over case. Okay. Just let me add my style first. Why that nothing? Class drop down class. Okay. Okay, fine. So from this one, what you getting from this style? Can anyone explain me anything from this style? What it going to do? Some drop down is there. Who is on unmute? So can anyone explain regarding this style, what it going to do? First, what we had taken in the HTML. We had taken something, one class name, which is a drop down. Okay. And nearby, what is there? Mouse over me. So just to do one thing. Let's see, is it doing anything? What happened? Had we got anything? When I putting mouse over the text, we getting something. Correct? See.
Sir, pop-up type something.
Yeah, pop-up is coming something. So now we will verify this thing from our code. So what it doing? Where we by passing? Be passing on this one. Mouse over to me. Okay. And after this, what we getting? We getting this block. Hello world. Okay. So now we will look over our style. What is there? Oh, 1 second. Okay. Yeah. So one class name, which is a drop down. Where is that class? That class drop down means that is in the main center. That is parent. Okay. So in parent, what we had passed? We had passed one drop down where positive position is relative. Relative means what? What about position relative? Any idea? How many type of position we had studied? No one. Amardeep?
So what? Relative
How many?
means that
Yeah.
you asking how many position?
Yeah. How many type of position we had studied?
Relative, then absolute, then fixed, and then it was default
Sticky.
sticky.
Okay. And one more. I think a static.
Static. Yeah, static the default value.
Okay. Yeah. By default. So what about relative position? Relative means with some reference. From whom? From its original. Correct or not?
Sir.
Relative means position with respect to its normal. Okay. So, and what about the second? Display inline block. What means this one? Okay, this I had not discussed. Wait, it will come that topic. I think in this also maybe. Here that is somewhere that was actually INE inline hyphen BLOCK. No, not in this. Somewhere that topic was that I think missed, I think, or what? CSS. Important contour image gallery. We are here. Opacity. Pseudo element, inline block. Okay, okay, something missed in this one. Up to float we had covered. This two it got missed. Okay, in that document. Do one thing. First we will cover this one. This two topic is pending actually. That was in Saturday, Sunday class. So the CSS layout display inline block. What means a display? Previously what we had studied, display what? How many type? Display, how many type?
So inline block, flex.
Okay, so we had studied inline block flex, three things. Okay, can you tell me which was that topic actually? Which day actually that one?
Sir, day 8.
Day 8. Okay, let me go
Not
with that
8
material.
is, I think 7, because 8 and 9 I didn't attend.
Okay,
I think it's 7.
yeah, like that itself. Means Saturday. That was Saturday, I think, class.
Sunday morning, Sunday I'm in class in the.
Yeah, Saturday or Sunday, like that itself. That last topic was 7. 1 second, wait, I will find. Okay, float is here. This one is. Float left, float no. Okay. Float next to each other. This also completed. Clear completed. That was last topic. Get it to be open first. Layout over this. Samsada started a call. Box sizing, height and width. Table layout examples. Float by that, okay. Then display inline block. Yeah, got it. This much. First we will cover this one. Then we will move. This is day 8. HTML. Oh, day 10 is already there. 11. Okay. Okay. So what was that? Yeah, display inline and display block. Previously we had studied that one. Okay. So what is that actually? Can anyone?
Display inline means that is in the same line, and block means like a div block.
Okay. So with the help of that, what we by doing actually?
With the
Any
help
idea?
of this, if we want to, I mean, convert inline to a block or block to a inline. Yeah.
Correct. So it was helping us in conversion purpose. Correct. So if we want to convert into another, like a block to inline or inline to block, we can do that thing. Okay. So that we will look over here. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So let me remove this first. Otherwise it will give you so. Abhishek, Atul came.
No, sir, I don't know where he is.
He had given message that I will join in within few seconds. What means this few seconds?
In the,
Per day he telling like this way.
yeah. That day he was telling I come in 15 minutes.
And after that day itself, he had not joined till now.
Yeah,
That was last date actually.
that day.
Yeah. So see here, we can see all the differences. Here it containing all. First, display in line. Okay. What it doing? It keeping both in the nearby. Correct. In this, anyone have issue? In line. In line means same line. Okay. So this both came on the same line. Let's just check one time what this both are. Div, span. What is that actually? So that is a span in line. Where is that? Display in line. This one. Yeah. That is a span. See this one. Okay. And this text. This one. So with the help of this means this both word be trying to keep that nearby in the case of inline. And what they had done actually with these two come to the our design part. Now you have to realize first is display inline. It got on the same line. Fine. Next we had passed some width 100 pixel, height we had passed something, then padding. This padding become which side? Top, bottom, left, right, which direction? Please
Sir,
quick,
all sides.
because
All
All
side.
sides.
all side. So this see there is nothing new. Are you realizing anything new in this case? No, anything,
All
nothing
side.
is there. Okay, so just
All
quickly
side.
you have to come. Correct. So this padding will be all side because be passing just a single value. Okay. Next, border is there and then background color. What it had done? It had provided one rectangle shape. This yellow color. Okay. Let's do one thing. Change this color. Fine. Let's save. We got these two. Anyone having any issue in this case? Tell me. No issue? Okay. Now left this part, come to the block level. So what you getting in the block level case? In block level, it's coming from here. display block, then width is there, height there, padding, then border, background. Is anything new? Nothing.
No,
All
sir.
things we know. So remove this block and let add inline. Let's see what it going to do. Where that is gone. Okay, 1 second. Block. See which one? This both. Let me change the color. Then you will realize. Now I'm going to convert this in line. Sorry. Yeah, in line. What happened? This both came on the same line, correct? Now come to the, in case of inline block, what it will do actually. So in case of inline block, you can realize here, we had taken display inline block. Okay, just we had changed the text. After that, we had passed width, height, then padding is there, border is there, and then background color is there. So here also be not realizing anything more changes, but there is something actually that you will get that. Just hold on. It's not showing here. 1 second. They also taken a span, class, div, fine. So what difference you had realized in this case? Had you
They
realized
are
anything?
in line, but the size of width and this one is like a block one.
Correct. Because see, in the case of block level element, see this I had converted into inline, correct? Now I will convert that into block level. See last line. I will convert this block. Now see what happened. Automatic. It got this much height and width. It become block, correct? So the same thing is coming for this case. Means it's coming like it's look like block, but one thing is present there in line. What means in line?
In the same line.
In same line means after the block also it will be continue in the same line. Means one some performance it's taking from this one block, due to block it taken, it's become block type. Okay, and due to inline it came on the same horizontal plane. Okay, and difference between that, we can set extra margin padding in the case of inline block also, but in case of other we can't set. You will get that difference in the upcoming next one. Just wait. So see here, one common use for display inline is to display item list item horizontally instead of vertically. Okay, because block level coming where? In the vertical direction, top to bottom. Okay, but here we can move that in the horizontally, and same thing we got here. It came horizontal. Okay, due to inline. Next, so some example, this already be seen. Now come to here, anything is there? What is this? This is alignment. Okay. So had you realized what is difference between the case of inline block level, then inline, and then inline case? Means three things: inline, inline block, and block. Now tell me, anyone having issue? Is clear or not? Means this is a hybrid. You can simply tell that this become hybrid. It have property of inline also and property of block also. So what is the property of inline?
In the same line.
In the same line. Who is
Yeah.
on unmute? Who is on unmute? Samir. So it came on same line due to inline. Okay. And what about block? Due to block, it look like a block type. As like see this one. Clear or not? So in case of block level, we can get that we can set extra margin, width, padding. This also we will get the benefit. But the same you can't get in this case. That means minor means main thing. It will get the property of both. That is the main point. So in interview they are asking this question: what is block level, inline, and inline block? This thing actually. Okay, is it clear? There nothing, just because we already seen all this concept. So next is, what is this? CSS layout, horizontal and vertical alignment, center alignment element. Let's see what it will do. Okay, so now we will. Okay, so what you getting from this one? Something border is there, top,
Yeah.
correct? Some border is there, and after that inside the border some text be written. Okay,
Right.
Praful, tell me how you got this space, left side
Sir,
and right side. Some, yeah,
margin left.
margin left and margin right also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see what we had written here. So we had taken one border that become green color. Fine. Second, we had taken some width. Due to width, you will get this space. Whatever the space you getting here, due to width you will get. Remove
Yes.
this and let's see. We got a width 100%. Okay, but we had passed some width. After that, what you had done? We had taken padding 10 pixel. Where that this padding will be applied? This padding
Inside,
will be applied inside or outside?
inside border.
Inside.
Inside in the sense this one. After this means around hello world.
No,
Let's
sir.
see.
All border
Means
inside.
inside border or outside border?
Inside border.
Inside. Okay, let's see where that gone. Had you realized? Now it become collapsed. So previously it was a space between the left side, means in the left side we can check easily because left side that space was less, so we can easily realize. See, okay, so we got this one padding and width. Due to width, what is it was doing? It provided 60%. Now just a comment and just see what it going to do. What happened? It occupied
100%.
the it occupied 100%, but we had reduced the width and it becomes 60%.
60% is there, but why from the left that 60% can come from the right also, no?
Yeah, 1 second. Due to 60%, it had collapsed in the 60% height. But now come to the margin auto. Let's see. Had you realized?
Yeah.
Due to margin auto, correct. So due to margin auto, it had came in the center. It was not working due to width. Due to width, we was realizing the changes. Now check 50%. See, it came in the center. Now go with 80%, 90%. It will be approx full width. See,
Yeah.
just a few contents, few spaces are there. Correct. So with the help of margin auto, we can take any content in the center. We can make that in the center part. Clear?
Yeah.
So who had played main role in putting the content in the center?
Margin auto.
Margin auto one. Padding. Who telling padding?
Yes, sir. I telling
Which
padding.
had, okay, who had played, means out of this, who had played the main role or keeping the content in the center?
Sir, padding and margin.
Okay, you telling padding and margin. Let's do with padding. What it doing actually? Just to verify what you observed. Had you observed something?
Yes, sir.
With padding, it is not doing anything. It collapsing and expanding this area. Means
Yeah.
around this space. Correct? So,
Correct,
and
sir, correct.
in the case of margin, it is going for the outside. But main thing, margin and width both are playing. How?
Yeah.
What width is doing? Width is giving that content around that much possibility only. Because if you will pass this 100%, you can't realize any changes. Just
Full
see.
width.
But see, this is scroll bar,
Yes, sir.
it came. Okay.
Okay,
Due
sir.
to which? Due to that margin width 100%.
Yeah.
So we will pass like this way, and this will help us. So this will help you in putting content center in the center. Okay. Means whenever is there any requirement to put any div in the center. Okay, do one thing. If I will pass this center class, okay, with this paragraph tag, will that work same or what will happen? What you want means what will be your opinion? What you will get? Will this output will be same type or something different will come? What are you thinking?
Something different, sir. Hello will come center.
Hello will come in center. Okay, let's see what it will do. Don't think that class name is center, so it will come in the center. Where that gone in the center? Okay. What happened? It had kept all the text, means whatever margin was there, my width, then border, these all thing applied. But where? It had applied in this case only. In the
Paragraph.
hello world only, not in the div. That's why the margin become that much, but a space reduced. Okay. And now take this style, means class, and pass here. Now you will realize something. See, had you got? This one was the difference. So this way we can pass any means div element in the center, because for pass. Okay, tell me how we can pass this thing in the center. Text.
Text alignment equal to center.
Third line center.
Text alignment center. Okay, do with inspect. We do not want to waste time over there. It will be better to inspect here and check. Where is that? Let me select. Where is that width to? Oh, sorry. Yeah, hello world. So text alignment you told. Okay, let's verify. Text dash align
Center.
CNT center. See, it came. Okay. You will struggle too much in this thing actually. I telling you where you will struggle. Now we know that with the help of text alignment center, it came in the center. Who came in the center? Particular text. Correct?
Yeah.
What you will do maximum time when you will got requirement that you have to pass this div in the center. Okay. Wait. Okay. Fine. Let to be here. Will this work? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this particular text, so it's working also. But when what you will struggle too much, that when you will there will be requirement for the particular text, particular div, okay, to making in the center, you will not get that time. That time you have to work in above one. Okay, whatever we had written on the top, that way we have to pass. Otherwise, what we are doing, we always doing taking that text alignment center and be trying to put that, means be trying to keep a div also in the center. But due to that, it's not coming. We have to pass that margin auto. That will work. Okay. So whenever you have to pass this block like a div, see the block element, it written here. Okay. So whenever there is requirement to move anything horizontally, block level element, you can go with margin auto. Clear? Okay. So next, Center alignment text. We just seen text alignment center. So no need this one. Fine. Anyone having issue?
No.
No issue. Now move that image in the center now and see how we can. 12. Then third. Where is that? 13.html. So what is written here? What we had taken previous case? We had taken in the previous margin auto, correct? So with the help of this, we had moved that block label element into center, correct or not? What we had written here, margin left auto and margin right auto. And we had passed some image. What are you speaking? Anything? Today I had taken too much images. Okay. So now we got this. So now just do one thing. Now tell me one thing. We want this thing in the or means where in the center. Okay. But what is the need of taking this block, display block? In the code, what we had written display block. What is the need of taking
Sir,
that one? Yeah.
Image is for image is inline
Okay, it's a line element. Fine.
to convert inline to block.
Okay. Can we
For
do
using
that thing
this.
with means like that like inline element like text alignment center by that way or not? Let's see.
We can use that align item center.
Okay, let's check that also. We will do that. Align item center. Where is that? It's not.
It's not working there.
It's not working. Next. Anyone want to check anything? Text alignment and center. No, this also not. Means this will not work. Okay. So what we had done for moving the image in the center, we had first make in the display. Got this? Means we had converted the image into display block. Means sorry, block label element, because we know the image is inline element. That's why we had converted that into block label. And after that, what we had done as like previous margin auto. Clear? So let's do one thing. Comment first this too. Let's see if we passing margin auto, what it doing? It also done the same thing. Correct. But what we had done here, we had taken margin only in the left and the right side. So same thing we can do with this also, as we learn in the previous thing, that margin and that's it. Margin.
What
because
right now what they are doing, they are putting image in a div tag.
no, this is outside.
No, we can take like this, na, one div tag, inside div we can use
Okay.
image, and then we can use the previous one code.
Okay, let it to be.
Right now image is not in this one, na? Yeah.
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 Okay.
And now we apply the style on div.
Okay, you're telling here. Okay, let it to be class IMAGE. Let it to be. Then go here.
Now
and
margin auto, that's all, I think.
That, yeah. Let's paste. Okay. Display, remove, save. Margin auto. That's it. Not came.
Why it's not working?
No idea. You have to tell.
Because right, what they are doing in image display block, they are converting in a block and then changing margin as a auto.
Yeah. See,
Same.
what we can observe one thing. This div become the block level. That's fine. But the inside content which is available here, that is inline. And we are passing that effect, whatever class we had. So this div is already occupying this full width, but the image will be here. Got this? Because image is the inline element. So that's why we converted for the image inline to be block level, because we have to move the image part. Correct or not? Because
So I'm not getting last time, same thing we are doing with a header, right?
1 second. No, that is paragraph.
Oh, okay. Paragraph is a block.
Yeah, paragraph is block level element.
Okay. So my
Because that I telling, because see, whatever last means this one div is outside means this is block level element. Fine. But this p tag, this is also comes under block level element.
Okay.
This
You
also
change
block
P
level.
as a H1 here.
That is also block level element. So that will also work.
Okay. Yeah, P and HR block level.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if that will be like inline, then you have to convert that into block level.
Okay.
So we have to convert this block level, and after that we can go with this. Here is the class. Second. Oh. Wait 1 second. Okay. Because this image is inline, so we converted that one into block level, and then it had worked. So no need to pass this margin left and right auto, because why it had passed, so that because suppose that you have the big pictures, okay, then maybe some issue will become. So that's why you can reduce the width and high width of that, then it will fit, and then you can means easily visualize the changes. Okay. So next, left and right alignment using position. Same thing again, but it came something different, because here it had used which one? Position case. So position absolute, then right 0 pixel he taken, then width is something, then border. Okay. Then padding is there. Just what is then another one? That's it, absolute. And after that, remaining is okay. So you can check these all things now. Then again, left and right alignment with the help of float. We can do that also. Suppose that this image came here, and by default this image, let comment this line and this line. Now your image is this way. What you will do? You will use the float, padding, margin, those area also. Let's check with the float how we can do. In the case of float, I not thinking, because float have only two value, left and right. That's it. Okay. So with the help of this, we can move in the left direction or right direction or none. Okay. But suppose we want to do with the help of padding, we can do that. Go with padding and pass some pixel. So 12 pixel. Now you can move this one. Correct or not? So this is coming padding. This padding value become all around, means all four direction. What we will, okay. So Roshan, tell me, if I want padding only in the right side, how we will do? Roshan, Abhishek, we want padding only in
Yes,
the
sir.
left side. We want padding in the left side, not all direction. Yeah, padding we want in the only one direction. How we will do?
Yes, sir. Firstly,
What? Go one by one. Hello. Hello.
hello.
Yeah. Carry on.
Yes, sir. Firstly, we give 12 px and 10 px.
Okay, you telling me that 12 px. Okay, padding. Fine. So we will take first padding. After that, you have to pass some value. Okay, let it to be 12 pixel. Then pass value. How much?
Sir, 20 px.
Okay, 20 px. Let's see which side it gone.
Sir, right side.
What is 12? First value. Which side?
Sir, top or bottom?
That become top side.
Yes, sir. Top or bottom? Sir, when we increase 20 px,
Increased 20 px. Okay.
yes, sir. For 20 replace
Oh, you telling me to increase
40.
this one.
Yes, sir. 40.
40. Then
Yes, sir. Sir, we what we want the image in the center or where?
second. What are you telling? Second.
Sir,
Sorry.
what we want image in center
In
or
the center. Center.
in the center.
Yeah.
Sir, and
See,
12 px
here,
and after 12 px.
see, first go with a 4 value. Okay. 30
Yes, sir.
pixel and then go with a 20 pixel. Be taken some value. But what we want? We want only 3 side value. Okay.
Yes.
Total value become for all direction. But we not want this one. We want only in the which side? Left side. Left side means this 12 pixel become top. Correct? Remove
Yeah.
this 0 pixel. What about the second value? Second value become in the right side.
Left,
Remove this.
right.
Put 0. What about third value? Third value become in the bottom side. Remove this. Put 0. This become in the left side. So give extra value. Got this? This way we can go with padding. With the help of padding, we can pass image in the center.
We
Okay.
can use padding left, no? Simple. Why we
Yeah,
are
that
passing?
no. We had gone with the shorthand notation.
Okay. Shorthand, yeah.
Okay.
Then 0, 0.
So this way we can pass all the values and we will get that all the scenario. Okay. And then our image become in the center. Otherwise, simply you can give that padding left. That's also, but try to get that shorthand notation because in interview they are asking in that way. So with the help of using float, we can move that left and right alignment. Okay. Then clear fix, already we discussed this one. That day we had done this thing. Then what is this? Center vertically using padding. Okay. Means again passing the image in which direction? Center. Okay. But vertically, the same thing we had done that. When we was passing just a padding value, it was coming in all direction. So vertically it coming down. That we can do. Okay. See, it had taken only top, means a top value, and the second value is 0. Means total is 2 value, top and bottom, that value. So next, we already discussed these things in the padding case itself. Now center vertically using line height. With the help of which one? Line height. Let's check this one. We had not seen this. This is new actually. Line height. So 13. Let's go 14.html. Okay, so 14. So in case of padding, is it clear or anyone having doubt? Means there are different ways. Too much possibilities are there. We can do all the scenario. Okay. So center with the help of which one? Line height. We use the line height property with a value that is equal to the height property to the center of the div element. Okay. I am vertically and horizontally centered. Now just go through the CSS part of this one. Then we will get some more idea. So what is there written? First a div which is center and one paragraph. That's it. Okay. Div means a class center and P is there. Let's come there. It had taken relative with two. One center which is outer class. What they had done? They had taken line height 200 pixel. Height become 200. Border text alignment center. We already know this text alignment. Let's comment this line first. And in this line be commented. Okay. Now go to the line height and comment this. Now remaining all things we are familiar. Correct or not? Height we know that. Height we know or not? Height width. With the help of a height we
Yes,
can
sir, we
get
do.
this. Yeah. So height and width. Next is the border. So border already I have idea. Text alignment just now seen. So let's see what it done. Line height. So uncomment this and take 20 pixel only. What it had done? It had passed the height, means where? Top to bottom direction. 200 pixel. Had you seen? So this is also for passing height only. Nothing is there in this case. Okay. Suppose if we taking 0 pixel, what it going to do? It become in the top. That's it. Next, 1 second. Let me add this here. Yeah. So next, what it is going to do in this case? This is going to take a reference. Okay. What it had done? Display what? In line block. I don't know what is the need of putting this because we already done that one. And that is okay. They passed another height. So with the help of that display in line block they taken. But if we will not take, then also it will work fine. So it's not a need that much. Okay. But let do one thing. We will make that responsive and we will check is they is doing anything. So line height we just now seen we can pass the value. Okay, 1.5 they taken. Then vertical alignment. Okay, do one thing. Comment this one vertical alignment and let's see what it going to do. Had it done anything?
Yes, sir. Center.
Yeah. So just it's moving as like previously was like text alignment. Correct. Text alignment was there. In text alignment we was passing center, but in case of vertical alignment what we can pass? Middle. So what are other values of this one? Let's remove this value and check. Then top I think is there. Yeah, top is there. Let's save and check. It came in the top. Okay. Then bottom is there. Let's see. Bottom is there. So it came in the bottom. Okay. So this way we can move our text different and now it become in the middle. Okay.
But we can
So
do with the text alignment also, no? Center
yeah,
and all. Then why we are using this one? And why 2 times line height? One is in with a reference to paragraph and one with a div.
this is it going for particularly for that one P tag. With the help of this second one, it mostly taking care for the P tag. But if you will remove, then also it will work fine. Let's comment.
Okay.
Let's save. See, it came.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct or not? But yeah, your question, another question, Baj, regarding text alignment. Text alignment, it will give you in the center. Okay. It will not give you top, bottom, left, means middle. Means
Okay.
with the help of vertical alignment, we was moving this text in the up, down.
Okay.
Correct. So now let's see the values of this one, text alignment. What are the things? See, left
Yeah.
So your text came in the left, then right was there.
And center.
Yeah. So means with the help of this, we can pass. Text came in the right side, but with the help of text alignment, we was moving the text in the left to right, but with the help of vertical alignment up to down in that
Okay.
direction. Okay, now it came in the center, and now first uncomment. Okay, wait. I will not have uncomment. I will take this line only. It not moved. Just 1 second. Because it's making that block level. It moved. Okay. And just 1 second. Especially. Okay. Had you observed something when we moving cursor? What are you getting here? When we moving cursor, we getting a space in this section only. Correct? But see, if I will comment this line, now means now see what will happen. What you observed?
Yeah, the whole, I mean,
Height and width, you can tell.
width, yeah.
So with the help of that line height, it had removed that one, I think.
Okay.
And with the help of this, it going to make that display in line. See, display in line block. Okay, because we seen this one vertical alignment. Because that's why when we trying to keep this one here, it was not working in the first case, because that become block level element type. Means it taken complete width, height and width. So how it will move up and down? It's not possible. So with the help of display inline block, it configure that way. And do one thing. Let's comment this line height and let's see what it giving. See, due to line height. Correct? When we had passed this line height, now see, now we got this much only area. So that's why now if we got this much, means up and down is free now. So up and down is free, so we can easily move that one. Do one thing now. Comment this line and move this one. Left middle, and let's see top. I don't know whether it will work or not. It not worked. Because how it will move? Because the space in the top is fixed. Correct or not?
Yeah.
We trying to push this thing in the vertical alignment top, but due to this space, it can't move. So that's why we had passed this line height. So due to line height, now see, when I saved, it automatic came. Because we passed the line height. And here also we had taken the line height itself at 200 pixel. Top, remove this one, and now take to middle. Okay, now we got this one. So with the help of this, if you want to make anything in the center, vertical top this way, then we can use this one. So with the help in this example, we use the line height property with a value that is equal to the height property to the center to the div element. Okay, because previously it was a div, and with the help of a div, we had tried to resolve that issue. That's why we pass the line height to the center also and to the paragraph also equal. We had done that thing, and we move that one in the inline block, and then we can apply that another property that regarding the vertical up and down, because left and right we can do with the help of text alignment. It's not going to make any changes because this is left and right, the already spaces are available. It will move, but for the up and down, it will not. So up and down will only possible with the help of line height. Clear? So with the help of that, we can move. So this code already is centrally vertically using flexbox. Flexbox we will see there also, but already we had seen that first example of this one itself. So means these are the different ways by which you can move your text in the center, left, by vertical and by horizontal. That is the thing. Anyone having any issue in this complete document?
Yeah, can you explain once again Flexbox? I think I missed that one on that day.
See, explaining again, it will take too much time. That I will tell. Because if I will go like that, then everyone having who is sitting here, they had missed too much classes.
Okay, no problem. I will see your video. Not a problem.
Oh, okay. Because already one Flexbox already have their separate content. It will come.
Okay.
Means that is already big topic.
Okay.
Here, whatever you getting, that is just simple. It's not much more. So that now CSS dropped on. Now whatever is there, it's not going to do any extra task. Okay, whatever was there, we missed actually. I had actually this thing display block in my mind that we had missed somewhere. So suddenly I realized that. Okay, so now what we will do? Where is that drop down? This one. This is display block. Okay, so what we will do now, actually, what we are planning, we already moving means with our speed. What I planning that many person had not revised from the previous also. So I decided something, we will go alternate days. Okay, one day we will take class and one day we will practice. Got this? Because if we will move classes without practice, it will be difficult to handle. And now we will share you some link. But let me share that. This class 10 I will start tomorrow. These all are just mini project. Just imagine that is the thing. CSS drop down. It's not going to tell you something new topic. Yeah, some topics are there like important and I think one topic. Just those topics are just for 5 minutes. That's it. Not much more. But we will not move that one. What I will do, wait, I will share you the link. I had selected some website URL. And now I plan that we will move that website and we will use that in our design. Let me check I got my internet connection or not. Let me check that. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually I was checking that I got net or not. Net got disconnected. I working with a hotspot. So what I had done, I had selected some websites URL. Okay. And I will share you some website and just I will go with some quick summary. What we have to do and how we have to do. And after that, you will follow steps and we will start working on that one. Because one day I will go with the class and one day you have to work on this. Means one day we will join both days, okay? But one day we will go with the proper class only, and in one day we will go with the practice wherever you will get stuck, because practice will be per day 4 hours for each member. Because now we can't move a single step more, because if we will enter in JavaScript, it's very complicated to handle backside. That's why. So I can explain you. All of you can unmute. I'm going to stop the recording. That's not an issue. You can unmute and we will discuss this one. Where is my, okay, stop recording is here.